The coconut, cover the coconut. No more. Nice one. Hello mga lalab, yan mga lalabs ko. 2 days na lang, 2 gabi na lang, 2 tulog na lang. Titreat daw kami ni Amo sa dinner sa aking pag-alis. Magdi-dinner kami sa football club. Ayan, dito tayo dadaan, maglalakad tayo ngayon. Ay, punta tayo sa may football club for dinner. Hindi kami nagluto. Ititreat niya daw kami kasi alis na ako. I'm going home. Ayan, see you mamaya guys. Let's see kung ano ipakain niya sa atin. Alright, time check is 7:25. 7:30 daw kami magkita. Kaya see you later guys. Huwag nakapasok na tayo dito sa football club ng Hong Kong. May mga lalab, malapit na tayo. Pasok tayo dito guys. We go inside here and wait in here. Pasok. Ayan guys, ang tinatawag na Hong Kong Football Club. Ayan siya guys, Hong Kong Football Club. Ayan, pasok tayo dito guys. Wala pa naman ang ating sorry. Okay. Pasok guys. Bawal daw ang mag-video. Yeah. Yan ang amo ko. No, not yet. Pasok tayo dito guys. Buffet is a lot. Buffet is a lot. Ayan guys, pasok tayo dito guys. Buffet guys. Mag-buffet tayo. Oh, yummy guys, yummy. Ang foodies. May cake naman sila diri. Doon tayo sa labas ko lang. Bas. Is it okay there? Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, it's hot. Oh yeah. Come on. Dito lang. Come guys. Ayan, mag-ano na lang ito sa pad thai. Okay? Coffee shop. Dito na sa akin ng pad thai na lang. Serving of the water. Water. Serving with the water. Yan ang akong nga bossing guys. Yan si Art. Oh, now we have the pad thai. Pad thai. Pad thai.
Is your
now we have the laksa. This is order of Arik. Laksa. Laksa mana. Have to check the buko. Abis junk of prawns from the laksa. This other dish. Oh, it's sweet and sour fish.
What do you do with all those photos? Picking every photo.
I will now eat my buko. Buko water. You have to finish it, Arik. You ordered the laksa. But a little bit salty. I will try this one because the buko is, you see that guys? The buko is so hard. It's not young anymore. It's a young coconut, but it's not young anymore. The coconut water is very yummy. It's so very sweet. It's not really very hard. It looks like so hard, but it's okay. So drink it. Drink the coconut milk. See guys. A lot of inside lang. Coconut. This is also coconut. Wow. Ayun guys. May buko is no more.
Taking video, you drinking.
The coconut, cover the coconut. No more. Nice one. I'm full also. Very full. Cannot finish.
And the rice.
All is full. I finished all the coconut milk, coconut water, and the coconut meat. I finished them. And then the laksa cannot finish, and the pad thai cannot finish. A little bit na lang. Guys, labas tayo dito sa labas kay... Oh, dito sila galing kapaligo sa ano. May swimming pool yan. Yan. But it's a little bit hotter here, so... You just take the... This is the football club. Oh, come back lah. Oh, cannot see there.
Here.
The football club is very happy. Yeah, guys.
No, that's a storage room.
The bird is so much. Si amo ko sa salon. Ha? Okay na. Nag-walk na kayo. So, very full. Going up there. So, people is inside and we are here outside, ha? Mga kakaunap sa loob. Mainit din sa labas. Pasok taliwat. Go inside again. Guys. So, Rek, hindi pwede makaka-video dyan. Video sa mga foods. Can or not? With the foods, ha? Ito na kasi kanilang mga cakes. for the buffet. Yung mga buffet nila guys. Lalabas ka, very full ako. I'm very full guys. Yan ako. Sakit akong tiyan. Gosh. Kaya Arik, it's not nice that I eat. Why I'm very full? So full of you. Oh, of you. Yan na, uwi na tayo guys. Okay.
Be careful, it's
Uwi na, labas na tayo kaya very full na. Staircase or lift? What do you think? Wow, very nice ang antoryo mo. The flower is very nice. So full. Yeah. Walk na lang kami pagawa. Palakas kay very full. Except na si Arik. Carry the bag and just walk. We just walk going home. So full. Coconut is so full with coconut. One whole coconut. Yeah.
I've never done that. You know, because always with Mr. Fan.
Yeah,
Mr.
taxi.
Fan not walk like this. He used to like walking so much.
Yeah.
Walking very fast.
Morning and evening.
I mean, very fast, right?
Yeah.
Even people living in the same building.
You
A
can-
guy commented, "Oh, this is only maybe 5 years ago."
Yeah,
Said
walk
to
so
me,
fast.
"Oh, saw your husband, you know, trotting down to the stairs. You know, he used to walk very fast.
Yeah.
That's why, Ruma, that's why. I mean, you've been working for us for so
Yeah.
long, and that's why in the last 2 years or so,
Yeah,
I think
slow
he
down.
suffered a lot.
Yeah, slow down a
Not
bit.
just slow down, he suffered
Yeah.
because lost the freedom to walk,
Yeah.
lost the freedom to talk
Yeah.
because nobody could understand him,
Yeah.
and lost the freedom to see because
Yeah.
his
The
eye
eyes.
vision. Because the
Ah.
Parkinson's affected all the muscles,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
including the eye muscle, you know. So
Yeah.
he suffered a lot.
Hi. See, the life, your life is really
you,
nice.
you go inside there, go in there. You see the blue board, right?
Yeah.
The screen.
Yeah,
On the
that's-
right hand side, there is a ATM machine. Oh. Yeah, this is a jockey card. Allow people to withdraw money.